everybody. I hope everybody's doing okay today. My little girl and I went grocery shopping, went to Hobby Lobby. I need to stay out of that place. And then we came home. She's left for the day. And I'm sitting here thinking, what am I going to make for supper? Homemade goulash sounds so good. And it's pretty easy to make. So I'm going to get in the kitchen and I'm going to get this made. And if you want to tag along, here we go. Grab a large pot, cut that stovetop eye onto medium, and we are going to scramble 2 pounds of ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you'd like. Make sure you drain the fat off of this. We are going to add 1 medium yellow onion diced, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, give it a stir and put the lid back on it, and we're going to saute these onions right into that ground turkey for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to add a large 12-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 3 cups of water. Now give it a stir, and we're going to continue to cook this for about 10 more minutes. And here comes the pasta. Grab some elbow macaroni. We are going to add 2 cups of elbow macaroni. Give it another stir. Now grab the bay leaves. Lay 3 bay leaves on top of this. Salt and pepper to taste. Put the lid back on it, and we are going to cook this for 10 minutes on medium heat. And voila, it's done. Let's take those bay leaves off and look at this. We're going to top this with some cheddar cheese or some Parmesan, and yum, yum, yum. This may be an old recipe, but it's still one of the best.